Hello everyone, Akash here. This is Control GX beard wash. It is made for just for men. I wanted to give it a shot because I personally get gray hair over here, like all over my beard. And I think it looked really weird. I'm sure a lot of guys out there, they're thinking about, they don't want to color their beard, but they want something simple to use and get rid of their gray hair. So finally, I got this and I used it like 3 times. This is how the is gonna look like when you get it. It's like a shampoo. So after 3 use, I hardly see any more gray hair, which is look, and it's a natural look to it. That's very important because every time when you color your beard, you could tell, you colored it. Sometimes your color gets on the side and everything. So this is kind of like a shampoo. So this is how it looks like. The only thing is the warning level. I looked at it. It says like if you have allergic reaction to it, then stop using it. So basically 48 hours before you use this, maybe take tiny bit and put it somewhere on your beard and see if you're anything to allergic reaction to it or you're getting rash or anything. If it's not, then I have personally, I used it 3 times already and I had no issue with that. So basically this is how it's gonna look like. So you take a little bit on your hand and you just gently massage it just like you use a shampoo. So don't take it too much, just take a little bit and then keep it for 5 minutes. Telling you keep it for 3 minutes. I just keep it for 5 minutes. I don't know why. I just feel a little better. If you want to keep it for 3 minutes, that's fine. Then just rinse it out with the cold water. So first wash, maybe you'll see a little bit darker. Second wash, you're gonna see a little bit more darker. So that constantly, like 3 times I use, I hardly see any more gray hair. So I'm feeling good about that. So the best, I think the easiest way to use it, just put it on 5 minutes before and get on shower and just use the cold water, rinse it out. Just that's it, done. You don't have to worry about gray hair anymore. If you after using few uses and then you see you don't have no more gray hair, you don't have to use it. Then you maybe wait week or two, then you see little more gray hair coming out, then you could just use it once, and if it goes away, then you could use this for a long time. I have the link in description box. It's like under $10 and it made for the well-known company Just for Men, and their products is very well. And if you're thinking about their hair color, and I personally used it this week, this is the one I got Just for Men comb in color. This is the one I used it this week, and this was very easy to use it. I'll show it to you. If you have a issue with your hair that you have it, I usually get it personally on the side a little bit. On the side I get a little bit of white hairs, so I wanted to use it like something very simple or easy to use. So this one Just for Men comb in color comes with this head. So this head is very easy to use when you just put on top of the tube right here. Like this is how it's gonna look like. I used it this week and it was so easy for me to use it, and I just wanted to use it on the side because I was getting white hair on the side. So basically if you have white hair all over your head, then you could just use the whole thing. You just use it, let's just squeeze this and just put it gently where exactly you need it, and that's it. You just keep it for 10 minutes and just rinse it out. So you could do the same thing like the beard wash. You gotta use it for 5 minutes. The most max you could keep it for 5 minutes. You get the natural look, and this, because the comb, it makes it so easy to use it. So I would definitely recommend, and I would definitely order it again, use it. I should have got the 3-pack, and I have the link in the description box. You get 3 packs in one shot, and you choose the color you need it depending on your hair color, and it's so easy. If you don't even use the whole thing, you could just just use whatever you need, and it comes with the cap. So what do? You just take it out and put it back in, and then tighten it up. Is store it in a cold place. If you keep it in a cold place, you could use it again. So if you don't need to use the whole thing, so I think this was a very by far the easy way to color my hair. But I really like this the beard, and definitely if you're thinking about it because you get a little gray hair somewhere and you feel uncomfortable, you don't want to color the whole thing, and I was thinking of the same thing. I'm sure many other products out there, but just using it like 3 times, and the way I'm looking at it right now, definitely I want to keep my beard, and I'm just definitely gonna use this. By the way, if this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.